Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this error which comes while playing some game or while running some software which says D3DCOMPILER_43.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix the problem. And you tried reinstalling the program or game, but this problem still remains. So how we can solve it? Let's see. There are basically two ways of solving this problem. First way is to download directx. directx is the software from Microsoft. So for that you just need to search for directx on your favorite browser, and when you click search, the first link here will be from microsoft.com. okay, and the search result will say download directx end user runtime web installer. Click this link, and in here you need to install, or first of all you need to download this directx in your language. So I'm going to just click download, and in here you can uncheck all these options and you can just click this no thanks and continue. And once you do this, you will be able to download this directx executable. If sometimes this may give you problem to download, you just need to click here. So it's saying if your download doesn't start in 30 seconds, you can click here. So you can click here and save the file. Okay, once this executable file is saved, you just need to run this executable file, which is the directx executable file, and agree with license terms and conditions. Click next and click next, and it will start installing. directx is a package for DLLs which you may require while installing some games. Just click next here and click next, and you will see in between that it's installing so many DLL, including our DLL, which is this D3DCOMPILER_43 DLL. okay, so after installing this, your problem most probably will be solved, because it installed all the DLLs which are required to play games or run some important DLLs. okay, if this problem persists even after installing this directx software, what you need to do is just search for your DLL file, which is D3DCOMPILER_43, and the first link most probably here will come from dll-files.com, and the search result will be the DLL name. Click this link, and in here there are three options, but we are going to choose this manual fix, which is free to use, and just click download zip file and click the version which fits your computer. So if you have a 64-bit computer, choose this, or if you have 32-bit computer, choose this. I have 64-bit, so I'm going to choose 64 and download, and it's going to download it in the form of a zip file. And once this zip file is downloaded, we are going to open this zip file, and inside this zip file you will be able to see your DLL file, which is D3DCOMPILER. You can drag and drop onto your computer this DLL file, and now you just need to copy and then open your file explorer and go to C folder here, and in C folder go to Windows folder, and inside Windows folder there will be a folder called System32. Go inside this, and in here all the DLL reside for your Windows operating system. So just paste this file here, and if the problem still remains, you can go to the same Windows folder. So once again go to your computer, C drive, Windows, and this time search for this folder called syswow64. Okay, go inside this folder and paste this DLL file here also. Okay, and this will most probably solve your problem. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.